It's that time of the year where everything pumpkin hits the scene. Everywhere you turn, pumpkin this, pumpkin that, pumpkin biscotti, pumpkin cookie butter, pumpkin cider. And you know what? I love it. And I absolutely need to share the love with each and every one of you. So by the end of this video, you will know how to make a decadent pumpkin Gingersnap ice cream that is dairy free. I wouldn't be a friend if I didn't. For the best and up-to-date vegetarian information, including yummy recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Meatless Monday. For this pumpkin Gingersnap ice cream recipe, we are not going to use an ice cream maker, so there is a little pre-planning that is needed because you will want to freeze some of the main ingredients the night before. Just trying to make sure you're not caught out there looking crazy when you go to make this recipe and your ingredients aren't frozen. For this pumpkin Gingersnap ice cream recipe, here's what you need. 1 cup frozen cashews, 1 cup non-dairy milk, ½ cup ice, 3/4 cup maple syrup, 1/4 cup molasses, 2 tablespoons vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon almond extract, 3 tablespoons fresh ginger minced. Use fresh, not powder, makes a difference. 1½ teaspoons of ground nutmeg, ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon allspice, 1 cup frozen pumpkin puree, 1 cup crushed Gingersnap cookies. Optional, but it's really not optional. If you're gonna go in, use the Gingersnap. That makes a huge difference. What's your favorite frozen treat? Comment below with the name of your all-time favorite frozen dessert. Here's what you gotta do. In a blender, in this exact order, combine non-dairy milk, water, syrup, molasses, vanilla extract, almond extract, ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, cloves, allspice, cashews, and pumpkin puree. Blend on low, gradually increasing to high speed. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the ice cream in a large bowl and fold in the Gingersnap cookies. Serve immediately or place in a plastic airtight container and place in the freezer and enjoy within 7 days. This dairy-free pumpkin frozen treat can be enjoyed all year round, but it goes nicely with all the festivities this time of year. Thanks for letting me share this pumpkin Gingersnap ice cream recipe with you, and I hope that when you are looking for a new dish to whip up in your kitchen, that you give this recipe a try. Want more pumpkin recipes that are dairy-free and will bring you lots of holiday cheer? Check out my vegan pumpkin pecan and cinnamon bread recipe video by clicking the link below. Wasn't that really easy? Now you know exactly how to make vegan pumpkin Gingersnap ice cream. Next time, you can even get the little helpers involved. Need more vegetarian and vegan recipe ideas? I have written a cookbook titled 10 Delicious Meat-Free Dishes to help you cook and enjoy more plant-based foods. Visit the link below to claim your copy. Also, if you want to join a community of other peeps who are on their personal vegetarian and vegan journey just like you, guess what? I invite you to join our Facebook page where I share up-to-date vegetarian news and other tips, techniques, and tools to help a vegetarian like you. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe, and share it with your fellow vegetarians, vegans, flexitarians, and of course, comment below with how this video was helpful, or let me know if there are other recipes you would like to see. And here's to providing you with tools, tips, and techniques to helping a vegetarian like you. Until next time, take care.